What's up, everybody? Today I want to show you the easiest way to make money with AI. Even if you're a complete beginner, even if you have no idea what you're doing, even if you think this is a total scam, then you need to listen up because this video is for you. So what I'm going to be uncovering in this video is the easiest way to start as a complete beginner with no experience and nothing of your own to sell, and how to actually start clicking buttons on social media and turn that into money. So I'm going to show you how to use these tools here at copythelist.com. By the way, my name is James Jernigan with copythelist.com, and this is a website I put together of the best tools for making money online that I've found. Now, what's cool about these tools is they all have affiliate programs, which means you can get paid just by sharing a link to other people's products. So that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. I want to show you how I've earned tens of thousands of dollars from multiple different affiliate programs on this list just by following a simple step-by-step process that looks like this, that anybody can do using some simple AI tools like this AI video generator. So that's what we're going to uncover here. I've got a quick slideshow that explains how it works, and then I'm going to walk you step by step through this simple process that pretty much anyone with an internet connection can follow. So let's get started. Like I said, this is by far the easiest way to make money online with AI. So I want to show you how to do this without learning to code, without having to make your own apps or anything like that. This is perfect even if you have no money to invest, because this doesn't cost anything to get started. Most of the tools have free trials, and even if you can't afford to pay for the tools, you can just do this manually using ChatGPT or Google Gemini or other free AI tools until you can pay for the better ones. So again, this is perfect, especially for people who have nothing to sell and no skills to offer, because we're going to be selling other people's products and just pocketing a portion of the profits, also known as commission. So what I'm trying to show you here is how to turn the time that you're already spending on social media. You're looking at a screen on social media right now. I want to show you how to turn the time that you're already spending on social media into an ever-growing audience and a passive income stream. So pay attention, because I'm about to show you how to stop selling your limited time on Earth for money. Most people on this earth have to trade a portion of their limited time on Earth for money. So what I'm trying to show you here is how to stop doing that, and instead how to leverage AI and automation to harvest attention and earn commissions from the stuff that people are going to buy anyways. By now, I'm sure you're aware that tons of people buy stuff online. That's why your feed is bombarded with ads of people trying to sell you stuff constantly. So people are already buying stuff. It's just a matter of getting your hands on some of that money. So that's what this video is designed for. Now, this is very important to understand before we get started with the actual steps that you're going to follow. This is extremely important. This money is going to be made whether you decide to get some of it or not. Right? So you can choose to do nothing. You can swipe past this video. It's not going to stop the people who are making money online from making money. People are going to be buying the products, and you are going to be staring at your phone. So just something to think about before we go any further. I want to ask you a question. How many years have you been using social media? Stop and think about that for a second. I know some of you have been on social media back since the days of MySpace, so over a decade. Now let me ask you, how much money has it made you the way you've been using it? The way you've been using social media so far, how much money has that put in your pocket? Stop and think about that for a second. Think about how many years you've been on social media and how much money all that time has made you. So my next question is, would you be willing to click different buttons on your phone if it produced different results? Now, what if what I'm about to show you only produced an extra $10,000 for you this year? Would that be worth it? You're already spending the time online, right? You're already on social media. You're looking at it right now. So what if you could click different buttons, and doing that only put $10,000 in your pocket this year? But what if it produced an extra $10,000 for you every single month? That's totally possible, because the fact is, I know people, not just one or two, several people who are making over $100,000 with this method. But here's the thing, you won't do that. Not because it's not possible. It's definitely possible. I've made tens of thousands of dollars doing this. I know people who are making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month doing this. But the thing is, 95% of people who try to make money online fail completely. They make $0. So why are you statistically doomed to failure? It's really simple. If you Google how long the average business until the average business is profitable, the AI overview says on average a new business takes 2 to 3 years to become profitable. So that's the thing. That's why 95% of people fail, is because they just don't stick with it long enough. They try it for a week or a month or 2 months, and they say, this making money online thing is bunk, it doesn't work, it's garbage, right? But real businesses that are out there operating in the world, almost all of them have taken a long time, a year or 2 or 3, to become profitable. So of course it's possible to make it happen sooner than that, but I just wanted to give you that information for complete transparency up front. So, unless you're someone who plans on looking at screens and needing money for the next several years, just forget about earning passive income online. Scroll past this video. This is not for you unless you're somebody who's going to be looking at screens and needing money for the next several years. So before I show you the exact process, I have one more question before we get started. And I want you to think about this. Take this seriously. Do you think that the people who are making money online right now are genetically superior to you? Or do you think they just take different actions than you and get different results? So that's kind of the mind frame for understanding what I'm about to show you now. So what I've created for you is this website at copythelist.com. This is extremely simple. I don't want your email. You don't have to pay me for anything. It's literally just a website with a green button here that says copy to Google Sheets. So you click this button, it's going to pull up a window here that where Google asks you to make a copy inside your account, and you'll make a copy of this list of links. So you're going to use the tools on this list. Well, you can use them for whatever you want, but the way I use them is for this simple process, right? So you're going to get your affiliate link, which that's what this symbol represents here, right? You pick an offer that you want to promote, you click on it, you sign up, and you get an affiliate link. So you're going to get that link, and you're going to give it to the AI. So what does the AI do? The AI then creates content and schedules it and posts it automatically to all of your social media accounts. So I have 3 for an example here: Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok, but you could link up many more accounts than that. And then what the AI tool does is it posts content to your account every day. You can bulk schedule this in advance, up to a month in advance, using this tool here. And this is one of the tools on this list. You'll see right here AI videos with the green arrow right here. You just click on this link, you can get access to this tool, and right here you'll see a button that says bulk scheduler. You click that and you can bulk generate AI videos directly to your account. So these videos get posted every single day and they rack up views. And again, these are getting posted to all your accounts, to your Facebook, your YouTube, your TikTok, and people are watching these videos. And some of those people are planning on making purchases online today or in the next week. And so what we do is we harvest those views and we send them directly to an email opt-in. And again, this is a tool that is on this list here, right here, this second tool where it says no brainer, high converting sales funnel builder. You click on that and you can set up an opt-in page that will automatically send emails every day. So once the person says, yes, I want more information about this offer, now we can email them every single day. That way, if they opt in, they take a look at your offer and they leave, they bounce without buying the product, the next day they get an email bringing them right back to this page. And if they bounce and they leave again, that's okay. The next day they get another email until eventually they purchase that product and you earn your commission. So that's how the process works. I hope you enjoyed this breakdown. And here again is one of the tools that you can use to bulk schedule videos. It's right here at the top of this list. There's dozens of tools on this list. There's even affiliate platforms that have hundreds, if not thousands, of products that you can go and start sharing links to and earning commissions each and every time they make a sale. So that's it. Like I said, the tools are available at copythelist.com. You don't need an email, you don't need a credit card. You literally just click the button, make a copy, and you have the keys to the kingdom. So if you appreciate this video, be sure to go ahead and smash the thumbs up button, click share so that more people see it, and most importantly, just get started on this right away and don't give up, because you don't want to be in that 95% of people who completely fail at making money online. So other than that, I hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.